So now let's see how we can apply object constraints inside of Blender. So in order to apply object constraints, first of all, what you need to do is you need to press Shift A on your keyboard and over here bring in a mesh where you want to apply the constraint to. So I'm going to go around and select cylinder in my case, and right now I can move this anywhere, as you can see right here, and I can go ahead and then resize this however I like. But I want to add in a constraint to this. So let's start with the location right here. So right now I can move this anywhere, but if I were to go to add object constraint, then you can see that I can go around and add in constraint in for different properties right here. So let's go around over here and go to limit location. So right now this is the maximum and minimum location that I can set. So let's go around into maximum X location right here. So in the X axis, I'm going to limit it to 2 meters right here. Now let's see what happens. So if I were to move this right here, you can see that it does not come beyond the 2 meters side right here, but it goes minus 2 meters right here. So I'm going to go around into minimum as well. On minimum X, let's go around and type in -2 right here. So now there is a constraint, as you can see right here. It just sticks right there. I can move this wherever I want, but if I were to go around and add an object constant right here, like 2 and 2 and then 2 and 2 over here as well. So now what happens is that I cannot go around. So this is 2 right here. I'm going to add in -2 right here so that it goes to the negative value. So now if I were to move this, it only moves in an invisible 2 meter box right here, as you can see right there. You can also go around, add an object constraint to rotation right here. So right now you can see that this is the minimum and maximum value. For let me go for x-axis for this one. Let's go around with 45 degrees each right here. So -45 right here. So minimum will be -45, maximum will be 45 right here. So if I were to go around right here, rotate this, you can see that it does not rotate beyond the -45 and 45 degree range. So if you're creating something like a machine or something that you don't want to animate in a certain level, then you can use these constant properties. Similarly, you can go around on and add in limit to scale as well. So minimum, let's say this is going to be 1 by 1 by 1 on each axis right here, and maximum, let's say I want it to be 2 times larger right here. So let me just go around, make it 2 times larger. So if I were to go around into constraint and enlarge this, you can see that it does not go beyond the double size right here. And that is how you can work around with object constraint inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.